Association nikiote ikinya ria gutigirira ati chirithia mathomo ya githi kurigana na uru nimarikitie kuruguria mutaratara mweru uria gutigirira ati arutwo nimakorwo magiteithika kugerera kana gukorwo makiuria ciuria na magateithika kurira ng'enda cia kiriu guku arimu aria marikitie kuhuruka wira magitanyo kunyita itemi walimu aya nimatanyitwo gukorwo makiamukira kigina kumanagia na wira wao na kana atongoria ngurani aria manyitite undu uyu itemi na makiria baru makiuga ati ni guteithiriria gutigirira ati githomo na makiria kaunti-ini ya Githii giakorwo gikiyukiriria na njira iria yagirire.
Credit just goes to *487. Those who have, please you prompt me. Please go to *487 and tell me what you see. If you go to
teachers to come and be with us on 21st when we are giving out over 200 laptops to women teachers and male teachers who are members of Kewota. These laptops are supposed to support the current government push where they are now already introducing the ICT labs in schools. If this kind of training is not done to teachers, the laptop to schools project will flop. It will be a big flop if teachers are not empowered. And that is the gap that Kewota is filling. We have an MOU with the Equity Bank, HOP, and the Estonian government, who have digitalized for us orange books. 145 books are already digitalized, and teachers can access them on these laptops which we are providing at an affordable fee, and the teachers can pay slowly using their salaries. So now we're bringing hope by providing income generating process of teachers when they are doing the same thing they love and what they are trained for. So we are encouraging all teachers to load onto this platform and make extra money. With 840 students already on the platform, one question can be picked by 5,000 students, and 5,000 times 500, that is almost 250,000.
That is going to help our people back on the ground. I want more resources to come to the ground so that we can change our lives. If I may speak about our girl child, there's a lot that is going on that is not on the limelight. I want to urge you, members of the press, kindly, organizational sessions as such, they help girl child, those children who are not going to school, the mothers who are suffering at home, those are the teachers that have been retired who does not have financial support.
Managing the accounts and doing the auditing. So we have that for you. Why? I know you are in
Aya, tuthina mbere ni ati no ekwirwo aria meriga gwikio ngono ni maabitha borithi na makiria aria ni arugamira